Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back into this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling photos online. If you want to make money by selling photos online, this video is very important for you. As you can see, I'm going to be using my browser and my laptop. However, you can be using your phone and also use any browser on your phone, then make money online by selling photos. Without wasting time, let's get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to be opening this platform that you can be making money online with by sending photos. So I have to type Aram. After typing Aram, you are seeing this get creative with stock photos and videos from Aram. So this means that those photos and videos or creative from other people are also uploaded by other people, and also you can come and buy the given ones you want to be using. However, if you want to make money online by this platform, what you need to do, you need to be creating your own pictures and videos and upload them here. Once you upload them here, we're also going to be selling them. Then you start making money online. You can see there is also an option which is called sell images. And also you can see image stock or can see signing up as a contributor. So let's click on this platform and open it. After opening the platform, you can see there are different options. We have to select these options which is called sell. Now if we see sell, you can see make money with alarm. We have to choose this first option which is called make money with alarm. After clicking on it, you can see become an alarm contributor. Here they are telling you current or creatives. Whether you are a seasoned professional photographer seeking new income streams, hobbyists with hidden gems, or you are hard drive or graphic design itching to turn your passion into profit, we are here to empower you. License your photos, illustrations, and videos to the world's leading brands and earn up to 50% commission on every sale you make, and 100% if you are students. Now, what you need to do, you can see there are a lot of also testimony here they are showing what you can sell here at Alarm. They are showing you what you can sell. Also, you can be reading through all this stuff and also understand what you have to say there. Also, you can also read the image licenses and the video licenses and understand each process of how it is going to be working. What you need to do, you need to click also on register, this option. After clicking on register, you can see it's going to be opening. What is going to be taking me? It's going to be taking me become a contributor. So I have to click here and also fill my information. You can see once I fill my information, also I have to fill all information, including my phone number, including my password, including my email, and also I have to add about you if you are a photographer, if you're an agent, if you're students. Here that is where they say that if you select that you are students, that is where they say that you will be earning. You can see you will be earning 100%. You can see they also please enter valid student code. They will be also giving you student code. Starting typing post code, switch code. Now you can see. Now also once you are done, you have to accept all these conditions. You can tick yes, I would like to receive emails with now this. Now you have to select it accordingly. And also you can see additional opportunities, distribution offer, make sales into international markets through our network of experienced distributors. Now you have also to be selecting these ones according to you. And also once you are done, you have to click become a contributor. As you can see, this process is going to be taking you to start making money by selling photos. What does it mean here now? If you can be able to get photos, or if you are a photographer, also if you can be able to take different photos and also come and sell them here, you can be able to make money. Thank you for watching this video. We shall be showing you different ways you can be using to sell photos online. Also, you can be showing you different platforms that you can be using. Also, we'll be showing you different ways you can be making money besides selling photos online. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it to your friends, turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at No Max TV. And also, if you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in our comment section.